Crypto Diamond Hands YouTube channel. So today we will talk about a NFT based play to earn game where you can also improve your health and wealth. So yes, you understand it right. So basically in this project Stefan, you can play and earn, but you can also improve your physical health and earn particular token like GMT or GST. Here you can look out the site. So yes, you can see Stefan is a Motu One running app powered by Solana blockchain, where player can earn handsome earning by walking, jogging, or running outdoors. So yes, you can check out. Here is the white paper. So we can see the there is also a app Stefan on Play Store. So you can download it and play. Means it is in a beta version. After 20th of December, it will start. Okay. So the game has a dual token system. We dual token system like GST and GMT. Gov game token and governance token. GST used for game activities such as minting new sneakers, leveling up the sneakers, upgrading gems. And the governance will be used for game profit distribution and high-end game activities such as renaming sneakers and high-level upgrading. So, okay, in future, Stefan will also increase the utility of both dual token. So, here we can see the game mode. The solo mode, here is the solo mode where you can start the solo mode and play the uh, on the particular token by running or walking or jogging. Here is the particular formula by which you can earn the token or something like that. You can read it or I will give you the details. So here is also one of the mode, background mode. Players can earn GST by turning on the app or non-recurring repair cost at least once the sneaker is in inventory. So basically, sneaker is what you get particular NFT. There are, I think so, 10,000 supplies of NFT. You can buy it on Magic Eden, verified project, verified by uh, Magic Eden also. You can see earning background mode caps 3,000 steps. Player daily token caps is solo mode. So here is this particular distribution. Here is some NFT marketplace. So here is the lucky mystery box. Solomon luck determines how frequently mystery box appears in player chess draw. So it is on luck base, and here are the particular mode. You can see there are types of sneakers. Four types of sneakers there are. See, walker, jogger, runner, and trainer. Here are the speeds and return of optimal speed per GST and energy spent. Uh, so we have seen the quality of sneakers will be attribute of their rarity and that common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. There are five types of sneakers uh, quality, and here are the level 5 to 30 level. So basically, uh, here is the on-chain government governance, carbon, and offsetting, voting power, and this generous giver, kind giver, match giver, greedy taker, and selfish. Here are the particular profit distribution will be given. So 70% carbon offsetting and 30% dividend. Uh, and here are some of that you can see. Here is the tokenomics as we can see. Two type of tokens. GST is equals to means green Satoshi token and GMT is equal to Green Metaverse token. The GST has infinite supply and is minted whenever player is moving in solo or background mode. So basically, there is unlimited supply of GST token. The GST is burned. Shoe minting. When is GST burned? So shoe minting. Whenever a particular player mint a shoe, so particularly NFT, marathon registration fee, the particular game tournament or something will come, then it will burn. Repair when the particular player will repair or level up the sneaker, upgrade the gem, the socket, or remove insert gem from socket. So basically, it will also burn when player will use. So use, as you can see, the use case is too much good. The NFT minting of token generation event. So basically, it is a metaverse name given. Six something is minted. It is burned by governance. Staker voted renaming the level 30 sneakers to 20 sneakers. Epic Legendary Snow minting and level 7 and gem upgrade. So yes, I can see the others key system and mechanism. Daily quest fixed reward will be given. Weekly quest gain more quest when weekly is there. Monthly quest token reward and holiday quest special NFT sneakers airdrop will be done. Wow, great, nice. So we can see achievement system by each player account. You can see grinding, challenge, collection, PEB, PPP, social economy, funny map, fits, and the cheating system. So basically, the moving sensor will work GPS tracker and machine learning to detect cheating from data simulation. So particularly the those who are cheating will also got catch. So no cheating will be here is some tax system as you can see while trading and submitting and rental. Here we can see social and invitation. See, the particular invitation system is going on. It will end in 1 or 2 hours. So here is decentralized wallet. Wallet supports 3-chain, Sol, Ethereum, Bitcoin. There is also in-game swap function, and yes, we can see. So basically, now there is a here we can see there is a this quiz is going on. Every year, one quiz goes. You have to invite 3 friends. Uh, here you can see you have to invite 3 friends. See step none. Invite 3 friends, elect runner, and win a quiz or a bug game or a creative tips or make a YouTube video or something or memes. You will get NFT from this number. Olympic runner. This will over in 2 hours, so no use of. Yes, this is quite interesting. You guys can join. I will put the link in the description. So thank you. Do like, share, subscribe the video. If you like the project, please go participate in quiz. You can get NFT if you win. So thank you. Goodbye. Take care.